Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, I've had some lovely comments this week and I hope we'll get a few more of them. Some great ideas coming through too, and plus I'm doing some great work on my layout now that I'm very pleased with. Like I say, I've been doing this quite a while now and it's nice to me to get together and start progressing the way I want to do. So I just thought you where we are at the moment to give you the latest update. Like I say, we've been busy, me and my wife, this week, done a few changes. So I'm just about to show you. As we start from the front again, on this side, on the right hand side. Like I say, we've done the top of the bank now. That's all polystyrene underneath here, and we've just blended all that in. So we've just got to put trees and a few shrubs. I'm thinking of putting cows and sheep up there, so that's something to look forward to in the next video. Just put a fence on there so stop the train falling off into the scrapyard. The scrapyard, I started putting the main fence on now. So with the two huts in there, I've still got to put the rest of the stuff in there, but that's starting to come on a treat now, so I'm very pleased with that. And as you see, as I've got here the fire pit here, and I've just started putting the fence all there. So that's all ready to go now, and I'm looking forward to finishing that off. I'm still waiting for the canal boat to be finished. Like I say, we're still a long way away. With the hold up at the moment is to be on the back of it. We can start putting all the bushes first. Once we get the back done, then we start working on the canal, and then we get the waterways sorted out. And I've got quite a few items in that to bring that to life. As you see in there, we've got a few shopping trolleys and a few cones and tyres. And we've even got a shopping trolley on the side here. They get left around the river and out. If they don't go back to the supermarket, just get left around everywhere. So it's nice to have something like that on the layout to make it realistic. And we even put a camera on the bridge there because you never know who's around at night. My wife's been really busy this week, as you see. She's done the church, like she says, the stained windows, and they were just like sweet wrappers, and they had the lights on the last video you see. And she's done the graveyard now. These trees that we brought in, we made these trees ourselves. These are just twigs. And over the back here, look, there's a wedding scene going on. So that's come quite impressive, so I'm really happy with that. She's even put some flowers down near the gravestones, as you see, as they come round. So this area's come up to treat. So all we need to do now is finish the top off, and that is ready to go. Then we can start progressing something on the front here. Over the back here, that's quite nice with the street lamps going in, and with some of the vehicles now. It shows you how much room we've got over the back here. And having on the back scene, it does look quite nice. It just blends in well, so working on that and all too. So much changes going on, so much going on at the moment, so I'm really pleased. And then we start progressing this way up on the layout at the moment. So this is quite nice. I've just got to come up with some ideas what we're going to do here. But that's in future videos. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe. I hope you enjoy my journey. Tell others about it. And I'll see you soon.